Welcome to Tiny Brick Home. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Morgan. I am a mom of 2 little boys under 2. Yes, it's crazy. And I have an amazing husband named Shane. I am here because I want to share my process of renovating my house. So, backstory on the house. So my husband and I, we bought this home February of 2020. And because of, everything going on in the world and having 2 baby boys, things kind of, have been crazy. We haven't really been able to do a whole lot to our home. We've just obviously been focusing on other things. And now I have been itching. I have been needing to fix up our home and make it ours. There is nothing wrong with our house. It was newly renovated when we bought it. Someone had previously flipped it, but there are some things that just I don't like personally. I know some people would look at my house like there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's for me. I gotta change it. Basically, our home is 4 bed, 2 bath. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bathroom, which is like the main bathroom that we all use. Unfortunately, our house doesn't really have like a master suite. And then downstairs, down in the basement, there's another bedroom and the other bathroom. So we love our home. It has been amazing, especially after, living in apartment after apartment after apartment and with having 2 little crazy boys. Our home is amazing. I just want to make it better. Anyway, I decided to start this channel just because if I'm going to be doing it anyway, why not share the process? Because I love watching others renovate their homes. So why not? Why not share it? I hope that maybe it will inspire someone to start working on their home, which is also why I'm going to be sharing multiple types of videos. I'm going to be sharing, of course, room makeovers. Those are going to be the big, why we're all here, right? Then I also want to do DIY projects. For example, so I'm wanting to fix up our kitchen table. I don't want to buy a new one because, we don't really have the money for it. So I'm just gonna try and fix it up. So I'm gonna make a video on that. Lots and lots of budget-friendly things. Like I said, we have 2 baby boys. This is our first home. It's a pandemic, so we gotta be budget-friendly, right? I'm gonna be trying to do that. Speaking of videos, I have 4 videos that will be coming soon. So 1, a home tour. Next one, I have in the works a cleaning inspiration video, so just me cleaning my house. I have that one coming as well. I also am going to be sharing my next room makeover, which is going to be the upstairs bathroom, which I'm super excited about because that is the bathroom that we use most often. And then the next one is going to be our master bedroom. I'm so excited! So yeah, that is basically what this is all about. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you stick around, so please, if you want to, I can't force you, subscribe or like or comment or share, whatever you want to do. But yeah, here's my channel. Here is the Tiny Brick Home, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!